This is a test to test my microphone. That seems to be working. Oh, can you hear me? Ooh. Can you hear me? -3. My microphone. If it is, it's playing up. Picking something up. Oh wow. How's that? How's that? That seems a bit better. How's that? That seems a bit better. Okay. Yeah, seeing that my settings got screwed up from when I transferred everything over to the laptop. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. That seems a bit better. So how are we all doing today? We'll see how it goes. If there's any problems, just let me know. So Ender 3 is running. My AM8 is running. Got a calibration cube going on the AM8 in a minute. My Ender 3 is running with Pro, so it has a nice bed level now. So I'm getting the printers all back online. I need to take the Mark 3 apart because I need to clear the blockage out in that. But yeah, I'm glad you're doing alright, Martin. I assume you're at work. Derek, you came in here and you've gone off again because you're on holiday. It's alright for some. Move this a little bit. It doesn't seem very central. There we go, that'll do. So yeah, yeah, I'm okay. I'm still recovering from the weekend. That's for sure. Oh, let's just pop that off the print. Yep, let's pop part of it off. It was printing quite well. And for some reason it popped off. Pop that in there. More rubbish. So yeah, AM8 is back up in its place and I'm trying to get it to print. Let's try and do a G-code file. Try that again with a slight offset. Yeah, it was a good weekend. I've only got the one camera running. Morning, Richard. How are you? But yeah, the weekend was good. I didn't get as many goodies as I would like, but I haven't actually been through this bag yet. I got my goodie bag, so to speak. So what did we get? 10% off order for 3D prints, limited. Nice. Boom. Magic Goo sample. That's back to front on my screen. Does that look alright on your screen? Or is my camera back to front again? Oh, Richard, how have you broke the Bluey V6? No way. chocolate. I've got a small piece of spice filament from the just a coupler. What coupler? Oh, you mean the connector at the top? How's that? That is now not printing. Oh, flip. Move that up so I can clean the nozzle. Just a couple of the black bit. Oh, the bit where the PTFE tube goes in. So I've got a couple of matte stickers as well. A head from Martin. What's this? PLA blue grey from 3D prints. Oh, that's quite nice. Quite a nice looking thing. Ooh, Capricorn tubing. Oh, that's one that's absorbed all that water. Oh. 3D prints. Oh, these are my business cards. Yeah, I actually got some more business cards. That's the cut off piece. And I've got little resin chameleon as well. No, that head. Come on now, let's keep it clean this morning. I've got a little coin of Enviro Engineering's. Yeah, I need to. This is Thomas. Morning, Rick. How are you? I looked at ordering from E3D for the couplet and they wanted over £3 for postage. Oof, yeah. Their postage is a little bit pricey. Let me tweet this out. But no, yeah, the weekend was good. Who's this? 75p. Not bad. Didn't know you could just get the couplers from Who's This. They're definitely coming up in the world a little bit. Their CNC machine at the weekend was brilliant. I enjoyed looking at. So parts 4. Yeah, it was a good time. Had some good drinks, good food, met good people. Highlight at the time was to get full body 3D scans. So I printed this. It's the wife scan. I did this yesterday, but the filament just popped and under extruded like crazy, which is a shame because I only opened the bowl at the weekend, and for some reason it's got a ton of moisture. Ooh, got a pen as well. I'll keep that in here. Let's not go more, please. Take that in the house; it'll go missing. Did you get? Yes, I have got the scan files for both myself and my wife. Everyone that got a scan that was there in the evening got to have a file. Yeah, everyone except Richard, because he decided to go and have food instead. What was the 3D question today? Ever tried to win a 3D printer either by entering your name or designing a 3D printing specific? Yeah, Richard tried. Where's my chat gone? There it is. I really need to get this log out of Streamlabs and log into Pokemon. Yeah, no, it's really good. Let me bring up the actual scans. There's my emails. There's both junk. Pop this over on the desktop. Where is it? There it is. And we'll go to desktop. There we go. So this was my wife's scan. So these are like the actual colour versions. Let's say this is via Backface Studios website. So that was the wife's. And I did got add mine as well. I've lost my chat again. I need to move that. Let's put that up there. So mine, my scan is a little bit more clean up, but I think I'm gonna get some of their color prints, because you can have them fully color printed. So I think I'm gonna do that. See how much it is, and then think about getting some. But my actual scan, there's my files. 3D scans. I haven't actually. Oh, wrong one. I haven't actually looked at my STL yet. £175 I think it is for a 25cm full figure. But that includes complete model cleanup and such. So I'm not sure whether, because we've already got our models and that, whether it'll be as much. But I need to be fair, it's not bad to have a fully colour print. Oh yeah, my STL is cleaned up. Come on. My computer's deciding to go a bit slow now. So yeah, I spent the time. Didn't have a stream Monday because I spent the time tidying up the studio because it was an absolute bomb site after the run up to the weekend. I can't even do anything now. Am I still live? That's the question. Yeah, I am still live. That's good. Everything on this left screen's just gone a bit doolally. I have no idea what's going on there. So no, I can't show my model. But yeah, mine's cleaned up, so I need to see about printing mine out actually. I look a bit odd in the face. I shouldn't have gone for that sort of pose. But it is what it is. But I can't see anything now. It's completely crashed my right screen now. That's when you get your new black bit, then Richard. Could you not just print a piece? Yeah, E3D embedded Bowden coupler. £1.80, that's not bad. That's what I was doing, wasn't it? Cleaning the AMA off. Oh no, it's not really gunked up on there. I need to redesign a fan mount for this because mine, the one I've printed for that goes with the designed with that mount, it doesn't go far enough up to my around my hot end, which is really weird. Is this gonna let me? No, it's not gonna let me do what I want to do. That's fine. I can't move it, it's just crashed out. I can't restart it either because I've started to stream. So let me change my printer settings back to, let's just change that to 0. Platter, slice, export, save. Try this again. Oh, there goes my microphone. I need to get myself some longer of these screen cables so I can finally close up the. Oh, I pulled the whole thing off. That one in there. Oh. better. Yeah, my Windows Explorer's completely crashed out. That's not good. Just that side for some reason. So I now can't access my Streamlabs. Oh, there we go. I can access my Streamlabs. Let's move that over there. So at least I can still see what I'm doing. So I'm still on that screen. That's good. So yeah, weekend was good. Met a few people. Had a good time really. The organisers were great. It was a good fun time. What did you miss? Nothing. Didn't miss anything. I didn't do anything. Nothing interesting. But did you see that, Richard? Did you see my my shoddy pictures of it on Twitter last night? But I'm not happy. This rainbow filament has got so much moisture in it. I'm trying to relay that to Xena and such that it was constantly popping. I say you can see all the divots in the legs and that where it's just popped, which I don't understand because it's done it all the way through the colours. So I'm gonna. Yeah, it was the bowl I had at the meetup. So I don't know. But the thing is, both vases printed okay. There's no under extrusion or anything on these. That didn't pop at all over the weekend. But I stuck it on a Predator yesterday and it's just popping like absolute crazy. Every like second or two, pop, 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 pop. And yeah, it's just a waste. Oh my receiver keeps falling out of my pocket. Take a wallet out. We'll do that. That'll do. Should still be able to take me up. I really need to get around to printing the clip for this. Someone designed a new clip, clip for it, but I haven't got around to printing the new one yet. But yeah, it was the roll I had at the meetup, so I don't know what's happened to it. Because both vases printed fine. So it's just, when I put it on a Predator yesterday, I had it sealed with desiccant and everything on the way home and everything in a box. But it just seems to be bad for some reason. What's going on with this? Great, now I'm under extrusion on this as well. Oh, looks like I got partially clogged. That's better. Cheap nozzles for you. Yeah, it is. No, I haven't tried it on a different printer because the other two printers have got filament in them at the minute. I suppose I could swap it out on the Ender and try it on the Ender. Yeah, could do. Could swap it out on the Ender and try it. But yeah, it is very strange how it's just causing a lot of issues on the Predator for some reason. Yeah, let's stick it on the Ender. Let's heat it up. Remove that. Preheat the hot end on that. Alright, so that's now jumped. What is going on with this again? It's like done the first layer and now it's jumped up. Animate does a nice first layer, and then it's like jumps too high and gives up the ghost. I don't know. Right, so I've got both heating up in a minute. Let's disable Z hot on this. Let's see. Save. Slice it again. Oh wow. Disabling Z-hop actually saved me a minute. Try that one on there. I heat it up. Snip the end off. Oh yeah, I found a problem with this filament. The spool, the hole in the spool's too big. I can't use my normal spool holder for it. What's the matter? Did you not look at the Petsfang one that I told you about? I thought the Petsfang one would have been spot on. Oh, I need a new extruder for this. I keep saying that. AMA is... I'm printing again. So that goes. I cool the Predator back down. Yeah, did you not look at the Petsfang one, Richard? Think of Eris. E3DB6. There you go. Version 2 modular Petsfang. Stock E3DV6 Volcano, TiVo, Tarantula. Thing files. Yeah, this one. That one, Richard. Oh. Yeah, that's probably that's the only one I actually really know of that's I've seen people use on other things. It's got good airflow and such. Yeah, and it's got mounts for everything. Morning, Mike. How are you? People have even done remixes for it. But yeah, it's for designed for the CR10, but they're the same thing. So oh, doing alright. It's better than not doing alright, I suppose. Oh, not extruding plastic again. I think I've got a clog. I think I'm printing too close to the bed. We'll have a look. End of 3. Let's print off a cube. Just do a cube, it's quick. Quick and easy. Generic PLA, slice. Oh, it's not that quick, it's 38 minutes still. Put that in there, yes. Upload. Alright, let's run that on there. It's nice having also bed level on the ender, that's for sure. What have you got, Martin? Oh, on your CR10. Boy, that's a bit of a beast, isn't it? Yeah, what mountain is that though? Can you remember? I've had to have the door open because it's ever so warm in here. Is it gonna go? Oh, it's still heating up the bed. Right. Preheat the hot end. So we'll get some plastic going through it. Let's tighten these up a little bit. Seems like I've got it a bit too close to the bed. But I think I'm going to get an everyone Magflex system for the AMA and pin the probe on it, like my ender. Oh, yours is straight from Creality. Oh, was that when they did that and then took it down afterwards? Ender 3 is going to level. I've got 5.5 by 5 point leveling on my ender. Because 3 by 3 just didn't seem to be enough. So mine work is almost done for today that I've been doing. Junk in my emails. Did you see my message about V6? Was that to me or was that to Richard? Yeah, I'm planning on buying an energetic flex plate for my Predator, but I haven't got the £50 to be able to do it at the minute. I messaged them to see if they could do it, and they've said buy the 350 by 350 and tell us what you want. Me, my message about the V6. What message about the V6? I'm confused now. Yeah, the energetic flex plate systems look quite good. Oh, wrong thing. I wasn't supposed to post it. No, I was supposed to post it on A. Start AliExpress. Yeah, if you actually message them and tell them what you want, they'll do a custom size. And they already apply the PEI and such as well, which is nice. Can't remember which one it was now. Yeah, now I'm going to order the everyone plate system for my AMA. No, that didn't work, did it? Everyone flex. I assume that's the textured one. So it's still 30 quid. So what's the difference? 220. Oh, direct is the Prusa is a direct drive because it's got the extruder mounted on the carriage above the high end. Bowden is the tube that goes to the extruder. Oh, the end is still now going. I don't know whether I primed that enough. Yeah, that's the difference. Yeah, direct drive is when the extruder is directly connected above the hot end. No, that's printing on there. So it comes out. I need to. Oh, this is heated up. Let me see if I can push some filament through. Oh yeah, it's a bit grubby. Put it back in. That's it. That's hot. Right, let's see if I can print now. Well, that doesn't seem to be popping. No, because they can use as. Oh, did you buy V6 from the show then? Yeah, beneath. Let me grab a hot end and. Alright, so hot end. And that. And. That fit? Yep, that fits. Let me cut a piece of tube off. I've not got anything. No, I haven't. Here we go. A bit of a. So that is what you would have got in your box. An E3D high end, like that, with your thermistor, heat cartridge and everything. So this black clip is for a Bowden setup, just like that. But you still need, so that, and then you have a little collet clip that goes underneath the black bit just here. Oh, that's right, that camera doesn't focus, does it? So that is a Bowden. And then let me just dismount this, because I forgot I had this until I remembered while at the meetup that I got a geared Bondtech extruder. But I believe this is for 2.85, but it'll be whatever. Alright, so Bowden would be like that. That would then, your Bowden tube would then go off to your extruder, and then it causes it light to be on the carriage. But with a direct drive, it's mounted in a black clip needs to come out. And then that is classed as a direct drive, because it's directly mounted directly above the hot end, and it goes in directly into the hot end. The filament goes straight down, so it's a direct drive straight. And that's the difference, basically. If I'm right, you do have to have I think that's part of the thing, because they don't use a pneumatic coupler anymore. So yeah, that goes. Not sure if this is for 175 or 2. It's different in the box. I'll say that should be what you got in the box, with the fan and everything on it. That's how it should be in the box. When you get home tonight, Martin, send us a picture. Well, it doesn't matter. You can convert whatever to a Bowden, depending on what yours looks like. But yeah, when you get home, send us a picture. Let me pop this back on here somehow. There we go. But yeah, you can convert between the two fairly easily. So these are some massive gears. Oh, that didn't work. But yeah, no, it is 1.75. Just massive gears. I might pop this on the Predator. I don't know yet. Oh crap, that didn't work. Oh, that's postman. Obviously not our usual postman, otherwise he would have dumped it in the caravan. No, no, it is our usual postman. He just wanted to get attacked by the dog, clearly. Pop this back together. So yeah, I forgot I had this bond tacked until the weekend, when I remembered that Chris Lee sent it to me, which I'm very grateful for. But this was for the belt printer, which I will get to. I will get that done. Because I've got the extruder, I've got the 5 motors, I've got all the printed parts, so it'd be kind of a waste really for not to. Oh, that's the cover for that. I'll take that out of there. That's another 8 gig SD card. Another SD card. Like to find those. Pop that back in there. Pop that in there. So yeah, that's basically the difference between Bowden and direct drive. Bowden just helps take the weight off the carriage more than anything. My AM8 is a Titan Aero, which is a direct drive. That seems to be printing right in a minute, actually. Let's see how it goes. I think it's going to look shockingly bad, that cube. That's a cube I got off the Ended last night. I was testing out the auto bed leveling. Nice smooth first layer. It's got a bit of elephant foot, but not a bit too much squish. But I'd rather it stick to the bed. But other than that, it's got a bit of ghosting. But other than that, it's really smooth. So yeah, finally got the Ender 3 to accept the Pinder Pro properly. I had to go pure vanilla marlin. I don't know why I couldn't get it to work with TH3D. I don't know whether they disabled something or something within the files. But pure vanilla marlin, set out for the Ender 3 and that was it, done. So that's out working. I need to grab another Pinder for the AM8. I wonder if there's a AM8 mount for it. That's BL Touch mount. Oh, that's an actual Prusa style mount. I am wondering whether to get rid of the Aero and use a Prusa style setup for it. Yeah, Bowden X carriage mount for an E3D V6. That's still Bowden though, that's the only thing. But it's got a mount in it for a Pinder probe, so I will have to see. Prusa i3X carriage. Oh, that's just the back bit. This isn't for, oh no, it's tagged AM8, so 36 remixes. Oh wow. Bowden Mark III R3 remix for with a BL Touch. Bowden. See, I'd rather have direct drive on my AMA than Bowden. Yeah, everything's Bowden. Bowden. So where was I? Everyone flex plate system. I'm considering getting a 310 for the core AA actually. I think that's going to end up with a Pinder probe on it as well actually. Because there's only a 5-volt rails on this, I think. Yeah, I think the servo pin put out 5 volts, so I'll just be able to do what I did before and... Oh no, voltage, ground and signal. Oh, so I should just be able to plug it straight into the hot end. Into the... there's the email. Ooh, Filamentive. 20% off all products. 11 hours left. Starts midnight tonight. Ooh. Bonus. Free sample pack with orders over £40. 50 gram samples of 1 pet PLA Mac, PLA Cosmic and EPLA. Ooh. Ends Friday 31st of May. So 20% off all orders on Filamentive. Starting tonight. So from tomorrow morning. So they're running 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. 9 days sale. The new Big Tree Tech SKR Pros look good. They come with 6 sockets. One of them is for dual Z, so it's no 5 stepper sockets, but 5 stepper driver sockets, but then 6 stepper motor sockets. So you can run two Z motors off one driver. I'm looking forward to working with this. I need to design a mount for the Core A8. Once I've got the AM8 running and I've got the Prusa back up and running, then the Core A8 I will be focusing on. I think I need to get some will it work on CR10S for what will work. If you're on about the board that I just had out, the motherboard, yeah, it should do. It's basically an upgraded MKS Gen L board. Basically, it's 32-bit. So yeah, it should. CR10S. Afternoon, Gusner. How are you? S4 MKS upgrade. Yeah, they've people put MKSs in the CR10, so yeah, you'll be fine using one of those for it. Yeah, afternoon, Gusner. How you doing, man? I wonder if anyone could do me a custom plate. Lazy way girlfriend's going. Yeah, the wife did mine did ours yesterday. I'll send Zena a message actually. You printed with your roller proofment, yeah, Richard? Just ask Zena what's the chances of getting a custom sized flex plate system. Gotta find something special. What Material is it again? I know it's Prussiman. Got back from vacation, so it's time to relax. Isn't that the whole point of vacation? Order notification, what's this? Oh, that's my the accessory for June's box. Yeah, I know it's just PLA, but I can't remember what colour it was. Ooh, Petchy transparent. Oh, just the silver. Yeah, that's what I've got on the AMA in a minute. It must have been my Predator then. Seems to be printing. AMA seems to be printing like crap. But it's printing. Yep. Holidays with kids are a lot of work. I wonder what Filamentive has got that I can put in this month's box. I already had Cosmic. One Pet Dark Blue. Not sure. Oh, what's going on with this? No. The Formlab one is a laser print, based, whereas the SL one is DLP based, so it's a UV reactant. Please send that Edsel back. Ah! What are you chatting about, Richard? Edsel? What the hell's Edsel? Yeah, no, the Prusa resin is UV reactant, whereas the Formlabs is a laser based. So it needs different resin. I could be completely wrong, but that's the way I look at it, I believe it is. No, I'm not sending the Predator back. God. It just needs a few upgrades. Yeah, I'm not sure on that, Gusner. Prusa resins Formlabs. SL1 uses MSLA. What's MSLA then? I have no idea. Oh, mask stereo lithography. Yeah. Yeah, the answer to the problem is the stick a duet in it. Actually, I want to compare the prices of a duet and a fouet. Alright, let's see what's had most orders. That one. So for this I would need a 5 all set, which is Is there listers in it? It doesn't say. But I assume it's a 5 and then oh, we go. Hey Jesse Foreman, how you doing? Package 1 only control board, package 2 is LCD with control, package 3 is all set, LCD, panel do control, and main board. Yes, so it's a 5-inch all set. It's £134 for a cloned one from AliExpress. So if I bought a Duet 2 Wi-Fi, a panel do 5-inch, and then expansion board. Oh, they actually do Magpul Delta arms. But anyway, let's go to the basket. Alright, so a total of that is £222 for a Duet 2 Wi-Fi and a panel dude. Whereas I can get a fake one for 134. So it's like, well, what do I do? Oh, that's great, Jesse, thank you. 402 wavelength as the preset SL1. Oh, well then, could possibly work then. Yeah. Grab one, give it a go. Oh wow, it's 12:30 already. Got an hour left. Yeah, I need to leave on time today because I've got to pick my son up from school. Xena. So spiral. I did have a look at the I had a quick look at the Duet 3 at the 3D Meetup weekend. Duet was there, and they had theirs. It does look quite good. Excuse me. Interesting that they're changing the way that the connection between the two boards works as well, which is quite nice. £115 for a custom set of arms. That's not bad. Just looking at Hayden Huntley's Magpul arms, I was curious. But no, the Duet 3 does look quite good. They're using TMC 50, I can't remember what it is. TMC 50 something. Yeah. That's it, 5160s. I couldn't think what they were. Duet 3. UK Banggood have got they're still shipping from China though. Duet 2. Even got the maestros on here. On Banggood. No, I think they're aiming for Q3, I think it is. So towards the end of the summer, they're aiming for Do It 3 release. So it'll probably be around the time of TCT in the UK, probably. Will more than likely be when it is. Because we've got TCT in September. TCT is 24th, 26th September, so yeah, it's possible that they'll end up announcing product release then. Which will be good. But yeah, it's an interesting looking board, that's for sure. I thought about going TCT, but I'm just not. I think it's too business orientated, and plus there's another trip to Birmingham. I don't know. When is it? 24th and 26th September. Oh, my computer's screwed up. Close all that off. Close that off. Close that off. Still looking at a laser printer in a minute. Just look to come to Slough and I drive to NEC. Possibly. How far is Slough from me? It's funny actually. We were driving back on Sunday, and I thought to myself, if we had a big enough car, we could have picked you up on the way and dropped you home. Because we had to come round that way. Yeah, we had to come straight past you to be able to get up to the M40. I didn't see anything really special at 3DMeetUp. There was nothing. The thing is, it's so small. Well, it's not so small. It's a small and it's community driven. But it needs to be a lot bigger in the UK. That's for sure. It's more. Yeah, it would have been good, but obviously I didn't have a big enough car. Next year maybe. But yeah, they had a couple of maker spaces. People there. They had Do It. Their E3D. They obviously had Backspace Studios, which allowed us to get full body scans of the people that was there Saturday evening. I'll say that's my wife's one, but it needs a good clean up. I got mine. Martin got one. Matt One UK got one. Richard didn't because he decided to go for dinner. But yeah, that was something different. That was the fact that we got a 3D scan, and then the fact I can print it just blows my mind really. What else was there? George from Environment Engineering was there. He had the palette and a craft bar. Ooze Nest was there with a CNC machine, which was quite nice because I hadn't actually looked. I've been looking at theirs. I've been looking again at CNC, and it was nice to actually see one. They had the enclosures there, which was good. Yeah, you had the Belgian Maker Fair. Was it Belgian Maker Fair? No, that was Berlin Maker Fair. But yeah, it's For me, it's upsetting considering RepRap started in the UK, and yet we don't. The 3D Meetup is, okay, it's their second year, but you would think a lot more UK-based companies would have been there, or tried to have been there. There was people that were supposed to be there that didn't turn up. There was one company that was supposed to be bringing a new desktop laser cutter, and I never saw them. Yeah, that's because you work with full-size CNCs, Martin, that take a full 8x4 sheets, if not bigger. That's good to hear, Gutman. Yeah, I think they had a total of over 250, nearly 300 people come through, which was nice. I got a lot of information out there about the mystery boxes, because I went down there as a sponsor, had an exhibit stall, and basically took the boxes. I took my Predator and a bunch of prints as well for the YouTube side of it. But yeah, I seem to have got a lot more information out there about the boxes. I've already had 2 of the people claim their gold coins at 1. 12x5, nice. So yeah, that's good. Actually, I need to stick up the rest of the bags, to be honest. I need to count them and put them up. Put them up at the £5 offer with the shipping. Try and sell them. But yeah, no, I've had two winners that got gold coins so far. One from Worcestershire and one from Warwickshire, which is quite nice. Hopefully they'll get this month's June's box and really enjoy it and carry on with it, sort of thing, which would be nice. But yeah, other than that, it was a good weekend. We had drinks, chats. I met quite a few people. I met Tom from 3D Prints, George from Enviro Engineering, Ryan, and I don't know what the other lad's name was from Ooze Nest. I met Adam from CRT briefly. Got enough time to shake his hand. That's how he's designed a really good printer. No idea. I don't follow it, so it probably will affect me with the mystery boxes, and I will adjust to compensate for that. Not a lot I can do. But yeah, I ain't got a clue what's going on with it. Yeah, it could be, it could not be, I don't know. You don't have a box, do you, Gusner? Don't think you do. No, I don't think you did. I launched 2 new products in the range, a mystery bag and a filament only box, which I launched. Oh, does this sort itself out now, is it? Hey, that's better. My computer finally sorted itself out. How are these doing? Ooh, it's not looking too bad on the air, mate. I think I've got some wobble in it somewhere. This is printing out right at the end of 3. That's nearly done, it's got 2 letters left. How's this one doing? That's got 78% complete, that one. once blocked on Facebook. Oh, blimey. So that's pretty much what happened at the weekend. I didn't really get any freebies. Obviously we've got our goodie bag from 3D Prints Limited. It's had a few bits in it, sample and some bits and pieces. Got a couple of stickers off Matt. Got a sample of Magic Goo. So there wasn't really many companies there, which was a shame. How much glue we've got left in there? Nothing. I've stuck my banner up. Yes and no. Facebook is what it is, but I stuck my my 3D printing banner that I had up at the weekend. I've stuck it up behind me, so it's viewable when I decide to set the cameras back up, which I haven't got around to doing yet, because there's I don't even know where I've put them. Actually, no, I really don't know. Oh, they're here. Cameras are here. These are the ones I took away for the weekend to just live stream briefly over while we were there. Afternoon, Holly. Ender 3 is done. Oh, I do like the flex plate on the Ender 3. See, that actually come out alright. So maybe it is the Predator. I don't understand why it would. But no, that come alright on there actually. Oh, come out. Come out, not too bad. Pretty smooth. I did see that. Yes, he was actually next to me at the meetup. It's a good, solid looking platform, that's for sure. I'll go up a bit too high. You're on half day today, Holly. But yeah, no, Adam's the printer is solid. He's done good with that. It was definitely interesting to look at, that's for sure. But he's got a Titan Aero, bed leveling, PEI. Was it a flex system? Not sure whether it was a flex plate or whether it was just straight on PEI straight onto the. I have to go back and watch this video and find out. But no, it was a beast, that's for sure. I think it had 40/40 extrusions. It was a real solid mount machine. He mostly designed it as a test platform, so he can change hot end. He can go Bowden or direct drive. Or he can test different motion systems, so on and so forth. So it was a test platform. But yeah, the big printers really need to be core XYs really. Why do I not have 800 subs anymore? I didn't realise I dropped. Have I dropped, have I? Depends on how big it is. Oh yeah, 791. No idea why I've dropped. Oh yeah, down 18 subscribers in the last however long. Oh, AM8's done as well. Let them cool down a bit because it's on the Anycubic base. That's one of those things. I'm down on watch minutes as well. Yeah, last 28 days. Down 18. It is what it is. Yeah, I've actually done quite a few watch minutes of that lately. Yeah, that's true. I've missed a few streams this month, that's true. Yeah, that's why I'm down on watch minutes. Oh, I'm up 5 dislikes though. Yeah, I'm down 16 subscribers in the last 28 days. Which is fine, these things happen. What's Cena said? Okay, looks like everyone can't do me a custom plate. I'll have to go with energetic from AliExpress. Get a custom one done with those. Let's see how this is done on AM8. Get off. Ooh. That's a bit, that looks a bit squished. Yeah, dislikes help. That's why I don't really care. Oh wow, my Z ended up at 17.3. I think I'm missing like 2 bottom layers though. Y 20, X 20, that's good. Yeah, so I'm a bit squished. Oh yeah, I'm missing a couple of bottom layers. Obviously I ain't got it set right. The rainbow went alright. I didn't have any pop in it, so it's got to be the Predator. I'll have to run something through the Predator and see what's going on. But yeah, mate, didn't do so good. You can't really see. But I've got a lot of shifts and stuff. Still pretty solid though, so that's good. That needs some work, clearly. Considering that's the height difference between the two. Alright, Gus, now enjoy the rest of your day, man. So yeah. So the Ender 3 is pretty much fully usable now. May end up changing it over to an SKR board at some point. Print a bit quicker. Put a different extruder on it. Oh, it seems alright. 5-point bed level in now. I just need to sort the AMA out. I need to tidy up the cables. Put a different, get another rep wrap display on the front. Actually, how much are they on Amazon? LCD 2004. 17 quid. It's not too bad. Oh, tenner. Yuziki Shop 2004 LCD Smart Display Controller Module compatible with amps. The only thing is the cables aren't long enough, that's the only thing. Oh no, not orders, I want my wish list. Oh. Did I add them in here? What are they? RDC 10 pin. 10 pin IDC cable, there we go. 2 pieces, 128 centimetres, 7 quid, that's not bad. Rainbow coloured though. Are they 10 pin? One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this cable. Looks like I've got a loose wire power connection. Try have a look at that plug. Right, it's 128 centimetres. Now that's miles long, isn't it? That can't be right. 128 is 1.2 metres. Jeez. Don't need them that long. 43 centimetres. How much is that? Not eligible for Amazon Prime. Well, that's not good, is it? 10th to 9th, bloody hell. That's no good. Yeah, 50 inches, that's way too long. I don't need them that long. 2 meters. That's only for one though, isn't it? Yeah. There we go, pack of 2. It's 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. 66 centimeters, 3 pieces. 10 pins, 66 centimeters, 3 pieces. We've not got a pack of 2, that's £9. Which wouldn't be too bad. Is there a AM8 LCD? No, reprint. I don't know if they've got one for the AM8. There we go. LCD case, 2040, as used in AM8. Enough space for the wide belt tension. Not too sure now. The thing is, that design is designed to have AM8 LCD. All the SD card ones or whatever. The actual standard ANet board, ANet A6 controller. Can't find anything. Oh, I know, it just crashed out. because that's oh, nice. Did you add your G29 in the? I've saved mine. Saved with G29, so it should be alright. Fair build Prusa. I want the thin files. I just want the LCD mount. Optional parts, small holder, optional material adapter, bare LCD cover. There we go. LCD cover to remain of. Oh, you did do it, that's right then. Oh, excuse me. All I want is the screen mount. I don't want to try Prusa written on it either. Oh. LCD. Okay. Train Prusa LCD. Nope. I've got a bear on them. I don't want a bear one. I just want a plain one. What are you testing it with, Richard? What model are you using? Because it should be same sort of size, so. There we go. LCD supports for 2020 frame to use with Prusa LCD cover. Two remixes. Still really can't find my one.
Why is it so hard just to find a plain case? So they're just the supports, but there's no actual... I suppose it's just a case of printing a plain Pretzel. Richard, what model are you printing? Or is it just a test cube? Printed parts. STLs. Okay, so there's the ports for that. It's just a standard Pretzel colour then, isn't it? Which is all I want, it's just I want the Pretzel on it. Or AM8. There's got to be one somewhere. AM8. AM8 LCD. Oh, what did I just do? AM8 HT support for LCD 2004. Ooh. That's not what I want. Why is it so difficult to find a just a prep 2000? Oh. Maybe it's just a case that I'll have to just mount it on the front. Without a case over it, because I can't find one. I just want a plain Pretzel one. LCD 2004, no name. No, it made no difference. Hi, Richard. Yep, so I don't know. I need to print something on the ender. Slice something. Slice something on the ender. Get some transitions in it. Three models. Do you know what? Let's do the unicorn. Slice now. I wonder how much filament's actually left on that. I don't know if it tells me on the side. No, it doesn't. There's half of it left, I suppose. Oh, only 14 hours. That's not too bad. Yeah, I don't think my steps are right on my Z-axis. On my AMA, I'm sure it's not so right. Let's have a look at Marlin configs. Wrong one. Marlin AMX. Configuration.h. Open. Let's actually compare it to file steps. That's set to 400. That's set to 400. It is right then. Okay, I may need some actual calibration on that then. Add those to my wish list so I can get at them again. Alright, so 15 minutes left. Oh, that's uploaded. Send that to print. That's that going to print. Yeah, so I don't understand why my AMA's so squished. The thing is, it looks right, it's just squashed. Yeah, 17.2. So what am I missing? Email? mils worth. So, I don't know what's going on there. Could be my first layer's not right. Could be anything, I suppose. Well, I know it's not right because there's no. It's completely missing the bottom layers. It's done like one bottom layer. I got it way too close. I need to re-level it. So it's got to be my Z is not moving smooth enough. The thing is, my Z is completely free, so unless it's it feels fine. Doesn't seem to be any binding going up or anything. I'm not sure what's going on with that then. Let's home it. No, never mind. It's just caught the power. Yeah, this power. I don't know whether it's the actual plug or the cables. Gone off again. I need to speed up the probing on the end of it. Probed way too slow. Yeah. It's definitely the cables going into the board by the looks of it. $25 points on the end of the three. It's going to take forever. Is it skip? No, it's got to be. I don't see why it would be skipping going into Z. It could be. I suppose I could check the driver current. It would be the only reason, wouldn't it? It could be. Let me. Where's my multimeter? Let's see if I can figure this out. Negative, and the Z is this one here. Right. I can't remember, right? I must have that on the one scene. Is it that one? Oh, I don't know. I can never remember which setting this needs to be on. But yeah, it could be that. But ow! Just stabbed myself. Check VREF meter. Can't remember. on that one. Oh, here we go. End of 3 spinning. So it should be on that one then. 20. Ground pin and let's have a look. So it is onto that. .3. That's 7. So standard is 7 on the others and 1.3 on the Z. So I've got it higher because the one driver's driving 2 motors. Let's see, I'll turn it down a little bit. Turn it back to roughly where the others are. I'll print it again. Alright, that's printing. A little bit of that. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Right, I've got to get sorted to go and get my son, so we're going to call it the end there. Thank you for everyone that's joined. Let me move this over so you can see what I'm doing. I hope it's been alright today. You got to see chat about what happened at the weekend a little bit. Thank you for everyone that come out and joined us. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If not, hit the dislike button. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you all on Friday for Friday's morning stream. See you all on Twitter, and catch you all later. Bye for now.